what do we got here? Oh yeah, nice. Check it out. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Dragon Touch Max10 Android tablet. I did receive this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. You can see how it comes packaged to you right here. Very simple retail box with the Dragon Touch logo and branding on it and Max10. Couple of quick tech specs right here in the bottom corner for you. It features 32 gigabytes of built-in storage, 3 gigabytes of RAM, an Octa-Core processor, 10.1-inch display. It's 1920 by 1200 IPS. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, we got your user guide and manual right here, complete in multiple languages, in color, with save screen grabs, walking you through step by step how to set everything up, and some troubleshooting and support information for you. Then you can see we have an included wall charger for it. It is USB Type-C, which is fantastic. And then we have the tablet itself right here with an attention sticker on it and some things you need to do carefully before use. And they have warranty information for you and their customer service email address at the bottom with 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. So you can see the tablet right there. It's got a nice weight to it. It just feels durable to me. Now let's look at it in more detail. So at the bottom of the tablet, you can see the built-in speakers. We also have a raised edge right here, a bunch of little bumps to give it a textured feel to the plastic finish. Then moving along to this side, we have a reset hole right there. Then we have a minus and a plus button, a dedicated power button, and a headphone jack. Then on the top of the tablet, we have our USB Type-C charging port, and we have a slot right here that we can peel off to access our micro SD card slot. This is expandable up to 128 gigabytes. So just get your fingernail in there. You can pry it off. And there we go. We have the slot clearly marked for us that we can install a micro SD card. I do want to point out, it is interesting. I can see in the plastic, it says SIM 1 and SIM 2. This tablet is Wi-Fi only, and there are no SIM card slots right there, but it does look like it's designed to have that potential, which is neat. So not sure why it has that option, but again, there's no SIM card slots there, even though it clearly has two identifiers for them. But we can slide in a micro SD card right there to bump up the storage to 128 gigabytes with that, which is neat. Then you can see our 8 megapixel rear facing camera. And then there's nothing along this side right here of the tablet. Now let's go ahead, let's power it on. All right, so we have everything booted up right now. Setup was a breeze. This is how it sets up by default. So you can see the apps and the interface that we have here and the default background. It does come with all of these Google apps right here. Again, this is Android 9. So very simple. Then we can go over to the next page. These are all the apps I downloaded to show you guys in this video. We can swipe up too, so you can see everything from here, and we can check out some of the settings right now. So we have a lot of different options. Again, we have Wi-Fi, dual band. We also have Bluetooth, battery. This has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, should last around 10 hours of use. Does have GPS as well too, which is great. We can learn more about the tablet right here, Max10. We can see some more options right here too, where we have Android 9 as the OS. We can go back out. Here's storage. So with just a couple apps downloaded, you can see we have 11 gigs out of 32 gigabytes of free space. Right out of the box, since we downloaded all those games, that's 2.5 gigabytes. You probably can expect 15, 16, somewhere in there, usable gigabytes of space. You can see how much the system's taking up, other apps. So just keep that in mind. That's what we have. And don't forget, it is expandable with a micro SD card. And we can go back out here, go back up again. So your stock Android experience right there for the most part with no bloatware, which is really nice. Now let's go ahead, let's jump right into the Geekbench 5 test results that we ran earlier today on the tablet. So you guys can see, here we go again. Here's some more tech specs for you. There's the CPU, and we have 2 clusters, 4 cores at 1.2 and 4 cores at 1.6 right there. This does have 3 gigs of RAM. Let's see if we can look at our history for the previous test that we did earlier today. So our single core score is 148 and our multi-core score is 763. So keep that in mind right there. Here's all those specs again. Octa-Core processor, 2.76 gigabytes of memory right there of RAM. Here's those test results. You can just kind of pause your screen if you want to look any of these over in more detail to compare them maybe to your tablet. And then we have the multi-core performance right here too, with a score of 763. Again, you can pause your screen if you want to check any of this out. And there's the rest of them right there. Single core, and then we can see some comparisons. But keep in mind, these devices are a lot different than ours right here. So that's why the scores will vary pretty drastically. Nothing even close to the tablet to compare to for single or multi-core. But you can see some of the different options right there. But again, you got to consider the price point and the performance that you get at those specific prices. So that's the Geekbench 5 test results. That's a free app. Anybody can download. You can try it out on your tablet as well. Now let's go ahead. Let's look at gaming. So now we're playing Asphalt 9, so you guys can see how responsive the tablet is to gaming. So you can get a feel for how everything plays out. Pretty fluid graphics. Not too bad with smooth gameplay. Didn't notice any chop or lag there. So now you can see I'm playing Slither online. So not the easiest game to play on a tablet. Ooh, we're flying. Smooth gameplay, good graphics, nice screen. Everything looks great. Responsive enough. Like I said, I don't think this is the easiest game to play on a tablet using your finger. Oh, almost got the rainbow guy. That would have been cool. Unbelievable. Might be slowing down the tablet a smidge right there. But you can see no issues at all. Now we got an ad. Thank you for the ad, ABC Mouse. But that's what we get right there. You can see with Slither, no issues at all. Playing some games with this tablet. Now you can see we got Instagram pulled up right here. So you can check out how responsive everything is with our finger in the screen. So really nice if you like to browse Instagram and you want a huge screen to consume all the content, watch your favorite stories, check out some great photos, videos, animations, whoever you follow, that sort of thing right there. So pretty cool. Again, here's kind of the finger test. So you can see how responsive it is to our touch and how it refreshes and loads everything on the page for us. But again, great experience with how big it is. That's going to be true for any tablet. It's going to be nice to consume media like this and binge out to your favorite social media content. Same can be said for browsing YouTube, Twitch, Amazon Prime Video, anything along those lines, consuming media. So let's go ahead, let's watch one of my YouTube videos. So here we go. We got a 5-second ad first. And then we can go ahead and we can jump right in. So everything looks great. It's doing a great job. Very responsive. Again, we have a lot of room on the screen to browse other content too. We can rotate it to the side as well, and you can check that out. That's nice. We can also do full screen right here. Cast it to our TV if we have a compatible TV, which is neat. And there we go. You can see the video. Really nice, guys. No issues at all with playback. Audio sounds good too. No issues at all to watch your favorite videos, movies, and TV shows online. Now I want to show you guys some raw sample photos that I took today. They're unedited in any way. This is from the rear-facing 8 megapixel camera. That's me and my dog, Doug. Pay attention to the light source in the background. Then we can go to the next photo. I went ahead, I shut the blinds, and we actually used the flash to take this photo. So you can see the difference between the two. Then I went outside, took some pictures of my plants and succulents. So here we go. We'll look at some of those. In case you're wondering, HDR mode is turned off right now for these photos. But in a second, you'll see now we're back to the aloe vera again. We have HDR mode turned on. I'm really not sure I can tell a difference between the two modes. Again, this is all the rear-facing camera. Here's the rear-facing camera again in my studio. With bright lights on. Here's the front-facing selfie camera with the same bright lights on. Here it is again, and again. And we have a video right there.
Hey guys, we're taking a test video right now with our Max10 tablet right here. Check it out. We're looking at it. Hey guys, we're taking a
So you can
test
see
video right
with
now
that same video again.
with our Max10 tablet right here. Check it out. We're looking at it.
It's okay quality. Everything was fine.
Alright, here's the rear-facing 720p video of my studio. We have this nice Amazon Live production. Tons of lights. It's just not compensating very well for them. Well, it's not bad, but not like your phone would do. You can see the studio setup right there. Alright, here's the...
So again, there's two sample videos, one from each camera. We got the front-facing camera and then the rear-facing camera right there. So just a couple sample videos and photos from this tablet. Last but not least, we're conducting our decibel test now. I have a decibel meter here. We're gonna set it to pick up the max decibels that we get out of the speakers on this tablet. You can conduct this test at home. You can just download a free decibel meter app on your smartphone or your tablet. So for that test, be sure to use the same song that we're using, which is Dragonfly by Quincis Mariah. It's a free song on YouTube's audio library, and you can conduct this test for yourself to see what your device gets. So let's go ahead, let's play the song, and let's check out the max reading that we get. So for that song, you can see we got 120.5 decibels as our maximum decibel measurement. Not bad if you ask me for a tablet in this price range. So my final thoughts are as follows. This is definitely a budget tablet. They make a lot of compromises to keep the price very low and affordable. So you're not getting the high-end processor, extra RAM, graphics, anything along those lines. But if you're just looking for a tablet to browse the web, consume media every day, it's definitely something you should consider and do some more research on to see if it's the right tablet for your needs. A big 10-inch screen, USB Type-C, expandable storage, a headphone jack. It has a lot of practical features that they don't skip out on. We have two cameras, a selfie and a rear-facing camera, and we have a built-in speaker. Again, they're all not the best quality, but it is nice that it does give you all the features you typically want in a tablet. But again, if you're a power user, hardcore gamer, you're not considering this tablet in the first place. This is geared towards somebody that just wants a tablet for light internet browsing and use. Maybe you're traveling, chilling on the couch, want to have a bigger screen than your mobile device, then you're looking at a tablet like this. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.